According to Abraham Lincoln, he says, character is like a tree and reputation like a shadow. The shadow is what we think of, but the tree is the real thing. Many people are busy protecting their reputation, but few are working on their character. Character is like a tree. Reputation is only the shadow. The shadow changes with light, with angles, with people's opinions. But the tree is the real thing. You can impress the public, but you cannot deceive life. When your character is strong, your reputation will speak for you, even in your absence. Stop building shadows, build the tree. Because in the end, what you are in private will always expose what you pretend to be in public. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.